Family's Thanksgiving Day heartbreak. Their son, a Marine, made the ultimate sacrifice for our country. Private Heath Warner graduated from Canton McKinley High School just last year. This week, he was killed in Iraq. 19 Action News senior correspondent Matt Stevens live at 11 with the latest information.
Yeah, the family is still waiting for a detailed account of what happened. We've been told that Heath Warner was one of 3 Marines killed while traveling in a Humvee early Wednesday. Hanging from a front porch in Canton tonight, 2 flags that meant everything to a young Marine. Heath Warner's family and friends gathered inside. They don't want to say anything just yet, maybe tomorrow. Heath Warner graduated from McKinley High in 2005. He loved to dance, took breakdancing lessons. He was a freshman here September 11th, 2001, when America was attacked by terrorists. Some say he made up his mind right then that he wanted to serve the country. On November 9th, a letter from Heath Warner's father appeared in the Canton Repository. It was written in response to those controversial remarks by Senator John Kerry.
Well, education, if you make the most of it, you study hard, and you do your homework, and you make an effort to be smart, you can do well. If you don't, you get stuck in Iraq.
I am a proud Marine dad, and my son Heath is serving in Iraq, wrote Scott Warner. He enlisted in the Marines his senior year because of his deep sense of patriotism and desire to serve the country. Heath Warner's family will probably have something to say tomorrow. Tonight, we say we're sorry and thank you.